Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Clocking your hours with Gusto Wallet is incredibly convenient, ensuring you get paid accurately every time. This short video will guide you through the latest 2025 process, making sure your timekeeping is seamless. We'll cover everything from opening the app to confirming your clock-in, all designed to be quick and easy. Let's get started and make sure your work hours are always recorded correctly. Before you start, make sure your Gusto Wallet app is updated to its newest 2025 version. You also need to confirm that your employer has enabled the time tracking feature specifically for your account. Finally, have your Gusto username and password handy. These essential steps will prevent any hiccups and ensure a smooth clock-in experience, saving you valuable time later. First, launch the Gusto Wallet application from your phone's home screen. Once it opens, simply log in using your personal Gusto username and password. After you are logged in, look for the time clock or time tracking option, usually found on the main dashboard. Tap this section to proceed. This will take you directly to the interface where you can manage your work hours. With the time clock interface open, simply tap the large clock and button. You'll see a confirmation that your time has started. If your employer requires specific notes for your shift, a field will appear for you to quickly add those details before confirming. When your shift concludes, return to this same screen and tap Clock Out. It's that straightforward. After you've clocked in or out, always take a moment to confirm the status on your screen. The app usually shows a clear message indicating success. It is a good practice to periodically review your time logs within the app to ensure all your hours are recorded accurately. If you encounter any problems or have questions, reach out to your employer or Gusto's support team directly. Keeping your records precise is key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.